So we have reached our final destination, that is Neil Island. And I couldn't shoot much in Havelock because I kind of didn't like the restaurant, the rooms that we picked for ourselves. But look at this. This room is perfect. It's beautiful. It's worth the money that we have paid. Havelock, we were staying at a three-star restaurant, three-star hotel, but it was in no way, shape, or form a starred hotel. So I was really pissed and I didn't want to shoot anything, but nevertheless this is the hotel and really happy. So let me just show it to you guys. Let me flip it over. Beach there and beach there. So this place is called as the Lakshman bar something, I don't know, but it's the Lakshman Deep Point or something. And we are in the absolute tip, like this is in the this part is where we are at. And it's really gorgeous, it's beautiful, and I'm just loving it. We don't have to go to the beach, it's just right in front of us. And this is supposed to be the best sunset point. This beach, this is supposed to be the best sunset point. And there is one more, Bharatpur, which is the second best. So we'll be heading out there and do scuba diving and everything. So but this is how the room looks like. I know it's a little messy, but we just came in and this is how it is. Today after a long time I am vlogging properly, like vlogging, because yesterday was like my birthday and we had reached Havelock. The room was not up to expectation, and the worst part was that the people at the reception on in the resort itself were so pathetic. I mean, they chewed my brains off. Like, I didn't like the quality of reception because they were so platonic, and they were not giving the customer service that we expected from a three-star hotel. So yeah, and somewhat the day just went and we didn't want to move to another place because it was just for a day and we were like, we'll be mostly outside, we just have to come and sleep. So we didn't make a fuss out of it, but we didn't like it. They weren't even checking on us or whatever. They just called and asked us, did you like the room and everything? We just said yes, because who cares, like we didn't like it and we wanted to shift. And we checked out some hotels, but in the end my dad and my husband decided that there was no sense in just booking a hotel for the night, and let's call it a day over here and just check out. In any which ways we had to come to Neil Island later on, but thankfully this turned out good. I was so worried about it, but yeah guys, I will give you a detailed expenditure and how to go about things and everything in the last part of the video when I probably come back to Bangalore in maybe a separate video. These will be in all parts, like day 1, day 2, day 3. Even if I've taken just 5 minutes amount of footage, I will add that. But the beaches are beautiful. Yesterday's beach, Radhanagar beach, was like, oh my god, it had my heart, seriously. And even now when we reached the port, Neil Island port, it was beautiful. You will see the clips in the next part of it, but it was bomb.com. Havelock was the only one which we didn't like, although Havelock was supposed to be the best of all the experiences. We didn't like it except the beach. The beach was just made it up. So, and I celebrated my birthday in the night, which is again like really good experience. We got really good dinner, so that just added up. But I wish the hotel was good, yeah. But chalo theek hai. And pata nahi, I just didn't like the experience in Havelock only because of the hotel. And I'll get back to you guys in some other video. I might not be able to talk to you so personally because right now my husband's gone down to book the scuba diving, and I don't get time around myself because I am planning the hotels and everything, and my husband is taking care of all the little details like the food and getting us booked in for the ferries. like the ferries were already booked, but we have to make checking, like how we do boarding, being over here as well. So my husband was taking care of all of that, and he was taking care of the luggage. He was making sure that my dad, my mom, and me, we don't have like heavy bags, and he was taking care of the heavy bags and was making sure my brother takes the heavy bags as well, so that me, my mom, and my dad don't necessarily carry any thing heavy, and we just kind of just walk and come. And the other thing was that I don't know, it is a blessing in disguise. I feel that there was a cyclone just a few days back, and when we were in Port Blair, the cyclone was just passing. So we had rains, right, as you guys saw. So those rains made the weather much bearable. Although the morning was like, we were dripping sweat, and as you can see, because of it, we got a little bit of acne. But it was dripping sweat. Nothing like very humid. It just was like hot, but not that humid. Like I've seen humidity in Pondicherry, it was not that bad that you just perspire and die. But here it was like sweaty, but it was manageable. And because of the weather, the rains that have just passed right now, it's really beautiful. It's not that crazy bad as I expected it to be. So I was like, God knew that I couldn't tolerate that kind of a weather. And he sent cyclones, which were not called off. Like nobody was expecting these cyclones at this time. Usually the rainy season is in May and June, and this was really a blessing for us, and we all had a bomb of a time. So yeah, I've already eaten up 5 minutes, and I don't know what I'm going to do. But thank you so much for seeing all my videos till now. And this lipstick is from Iba Halal. It has stayed put. I mean, I really liked it. And rest of the face is bare. As you can see, I've not applied anything because didn't want to. Just living my life, having the time of my life, spending a lot of time with my parents, making them have a lot of firsts of theirs. They don't travel much, and they just have got the travel bug, so they are enjoying this as well. And I'll catch you guys probably when I get back to Port Blair. That's where we get the reception most. We don't have reception here, so when I get reception, I will definitely catch back with you guys. And try to upload 1 or 2 videos. I know I've been slogging on that, so yes, I'll catch you guys later. Havelock and Port Blair, I had planned the trip through and through. For Neil Island, I was more into it being a very resting, kind of chill kind of a place, but there were a lot of surprises, and as I didn't plan it or didn't research it, and I just wanted to live the moment because of the Havelock mishap. I found myself to be caught in a surprise, and we weren't prepared, nor we wore clothes that were apt for this particular location. So you guys will find out why, what, and how in the next clips. So as you can see, people are coming battered, and that's a battle we hadn't been prepared for. And that's my dad holding a coral. These are all corals that have washed off from tsunami. So the tsunami happened during 2004 2006, between that. I'm not exactly sure, so don't quote me on that. These wild fruits that were there, and I was really enticed that a place where there is salt water, you could have some fruits over there. So these are all dead corals, that's why they are black. But you will have white ones as well, which my dad was holding. And this is the entire coral on which we are walking. Yes, you guys, we had to climb all of these to reach to this point, and it was breathtaking once we reached there. As you guys saw, we went to the natural bridge place, and we are just back home and I'm exhausted, so I'm back on the bed before we go to the beach, which is I found out the name is Bharatpur. It's called as the Bharatpur beach. So it's just walking distance, and it's got the it's actually called as a Lakshmanpur beach. Sorry, tomorrow is Bharatpur beach. This is called as Lakshmanpur beach, and it's just a walk from here. So we'll be just going there. We've got the private beach, so we'll just be going there. And yeah, guys, it was crazy fun. This is an experience of a lifetime. And yeah, the cab driver that we have booked is also superb. He is very jovial, and he's very caring. So we are having fun. So we are off to the beach, and it's around sunset time. It's beautiful.